Hey guys, good evening. Today we'll be talking about two types of fatty liver. One of them is alcoholic fatty liver, the other one is your non-alcoholic fatty liver. So we'll be talking about both the types, and we'll also go ahead and talk about a detoxification liquid whereby it will go ahead and help you, and it will also give you miraculous results. So first things first, what are the functions of liver? Too many functions, basically 500 to be precise, more than that. We will not be discussing about the functions. I'll be just talking about a few of them, and the complete session today is all about the functions of liver and what are the causes of fatty liver, right? So in short, whatever we eat, it also goes through a lot of processes of digestion, enzymes, and metabolism. So too many processes that go up when we eat the food, and it also passes through the liver, which means not the food, but the process has to be done through the liver. Metabolism, activation of your enzymes, flushing of your hormones, too many things that happen through your liver. It has to take the toll, right? Now the food that we eat, it also gets converted into sugar, and since we do not have any specific place, or we don't have a storehouse to store sugar, it gets converted to fat. The kind of food that we eat gets converted to the kind of fat that we make, okay? So if it is unhealthy food that we eat, we make unhealthy fat. It gets created as a layer of unhealthy fat, and that layer is called fatty liver. So in short, it's that unhealthy layer of fat that gets created into your liver, which is on the right side of your body, alright? So if you have pain, there are two things that you can do. If you have pain when you wake up or throughout the day, if you have pain on the right side of your body, alright, what you can do is you can do two different tests. Alright, one of them is the liver function test. It's a blood test. Alright, the second one is sonography of abdomen, and you'll come to know whether you have fatty liver or not. So it's grade 1, grade 2. That can be happening because of alcohol that you've been drinking, and too many people, almost 7 out of 10 people, have it without even drinking alcohol. And we'll be talking about the causes. Some of the main causes are eating a lot of spicy, junk food, processed food, GMO foods, genetically modified foods, right? And one of the main trends that I have seen personally is that most of the people who I see have fatty liver. These are the recent cases that have been are the pill popping people, which means PPPs I call them. They have been in a habit of popping pills, either antibiotics or some kind of painkillers or stuff. So it all goes through your body and gets assimilated by the liver, which means the process has to be done by your liver, and it takes a toll. Alright, so remember all these things that I was talking about in very simple terms. I will go and talk about the detoxification liquid, guys, and this is all that you need to do other than changing up your lifestyle. So when I talk about lifestyle, it means you should not be taking all those things. One very important thing that has been seen as a clear trend with all the people I have seen who have fatty liver, okay, they are into pill popping, they are into junk food, they are into processed food, a lot of oily and spicy stuff, okay. And one more thing, alright, other than pill popping, they also take a lot of cold beverages. So it could be some sort of cola or something like that. So all these mixed, they damage your liver, right? Okay, so let's come to the detoxification. Take half a liter of water, okay, boil it, okay, put in half a teaspoonful of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar needs to be with the mother, alright, and just in case you cannot get apple cider vinegar with the mother, that's perfectly fine. You can do the other things also. You can take the other things, which is half a cup of coriander juice, okay, green coriander juice, alright, and half a cup of mint juice. Put in a little bit of lemon with the half liter of water, and drink it 3 times a day, early in the morning, after your meals, alright, after your meals, which means half an hour after your meals. Start doing this, and you should be able to see a few good results, alright. And this also means that you do a lot of changes in your lifestyle. Alright, guys, so this was all about it. In case you have any questions, please put them in the comment section.